What up, y'all? It's Merc Life B. Back with another video. Today, we're gonna be changing out. There it was. I was gonna say, I think I got it loose, but I actually did get it loose. So, hey guys, we all buttoned up in here. Pull my arm out the way. So look, when you get this piece here, what you do not want to do is take these clamps and let them sit back here for too long. Try to get all your stuff lined up, all the holes lined up where it needs to be, and then take and put the clamp on there, because what's going to happen is you're going to start creating grooves back here, and the clamp won't be tight enough for it. It's basically almost like it got pre-grooves in it. For those of you who own a 16 Journey, yeah, well, at least this is what I had to deal with. So I just left the clamps sitting where they were until I was ready to put everything together. And then I took and squeezed them and put it on. Some of the ones, like this one up here, I know for sure, like those two down there, they had like a cover on top of the clamp. But yeah, so we all done there. And now, my journey is in order. So let's see. Get these tools up out of here, crank her up, see what she does. Get out here. Yes. It's showing signs of smoking right now, but that's only because the fluids that was previously on it, so nothing is leaking right now. Don't be alarmed, guys. You will see some smoke. But that's only because it's burning off the fluids that was already on there. As you can see, it's coming off that by that O2 sensor there. But in just a few seconds here, once this engine heats up more, that smoke is going to be gone because it just burnt all that fluid off of there. So cool. Now that that's in order, let's see.